make sure everyone's got everything and mind your heads. Okay, you good to go, trouble. Oh, sorry, trouble. You did the right thing. Oh, away. It's not trouble.
Go on, pop us down there, you're okay.
That's it, that's it.
We're about to go on dinosaur car.
Don't nibble the bench. How many is there?
Just one.
One?
Yes, me.
On your own?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm happy to share with other people.
All right. Well, off you go.
Thank you.
Right then.
I want the front. No, I'll go in the back. Back's for the cool kids. Just me. Can I put myself in? Wait a minute. 1 minute. There's the plug. Here we go.
Okay.
Oh, nice back crack.
I like all these.
Walk court, so it creates a nice ambience. It's us on our own now. Here we go, I'm so excited. I should have sat in the front. It's been a long wait for this ride. Oh. Oh, this is unexpectedly really good. Hello. Oh, it's really good here. Oh, trees. For the amount of animatronics, this is an unexpectedly short ride. Should have been a little bit longer. Hey, crocodile. Hey. Hiya. There should have been a ride promoted for this, especially as it's like a family ride. They've done it right here. It's been really good. Oh, I didn't see that last time, the cave paintings. Hello. Couldn't really do it, unless I'm not hearing it and the actual audio going around this. Like a, what do you call it, Jurassic Park type audio, but obviously not the real one because of copyright. Could have got I'm Escorted on it. Here we are. And we're back. I really like this, it's really good. Should have been a little bit longer. Oh my god, the eyes move as well, that's so detailed. Hiya, we're back. And that's it, the end of the ride. Hope you've enjoyed yourself on the Dino car.